Soil mixture for hanging baskets. 50% cocoa peat, 20% garden soil, 15% sand, 15% organic compost. Mix all together. Hanging baskets. Mixed soil. Shards. Cover the hole with terracotta small piece. And fill with soil. Now take some moss rose plant and remove bottom leaves. Now planting in a basket. One basket is ready with moss rose plant. Choose spider plant baby from mother plant. Spider plant babies. All the baskets filled with soil. Planting a spider plant in small pot. Looks so cute. Now it's basket's turn. Basket is done. Take some money plants. Planting in a basket. Baby sunroses. Planting in a basket. One more basket ready with baby sunroses. Watering them all. These are some plants grow well in summer. After 10 days result. Money plant have new shoots. Moss rose growing well. And have new flowers. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel.